Hello everyone, welcome to TechOverall. Today I'm going to show you how to set feature image. For that I need to log into my WordPress. I'm going to set a feature image in homepage. For that I need to go to pages, click on edit. In this page I have a image, but I'm going to set a feature image. For that I need to click on feature image. You can select an image from your media library. If you want to upload it from your device, then click on upload files, select files, search for your image. I'm going to choose this one, open, set feature image, update. So let's check it. Click on home. As you can see that my image is here. So this is how you can set your feature image. If you want to set a large image, then take a large image. My image was small, so you can see that it is small. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.